So to remove your motor controller, we're going to need to remove the back. And on this machine, and maybe a little bit different than yours, your machine may just have an opening here with a few screws that attach it, but on this one the whole back has to come off. So I'm just going to use my screw gun and take all the screws out. So to remove your motor controller, you need to locate it in your machine. Now in this machine, it's down here in the bottom corner. On your machine, it may be over on the other side, it may be up towards the front. If it's not located in the lower section, you may find it mounted up on the top part of the cabinet, on one side or the other. But either way, your machine will have a motor control board, and it's just a matter of finding its location. So in this one, I'm going to remove the electrical harnesses first. And there's two different harnesses, both with a release tab. You squeeze with your thumb, and then you can just pull the harness right off. The other harness comes off the same way. It has two release tabs, one on the top and one on the underside. And you just give them a squeeze, and the harness comes right off. With the harness is removed, we just need to remove two screws. So with my Red Robertson screwdriver, just going to remove the two screws that hold it to the floor. With the screws removed, just lift it right out of your machine.